Hi guys, Ryan here. Today I'm starting a series on the Raspberry Pi. In this episode I'm going to show you how to set up the Raspberry Pi wirelessly. For this you're going to need a Raspberry Pi, a micro SD card, a laptop and an internet connection. Off we go. Okay, so we're going to need to install 3 bits of software. We're going to need Win32 Disk Imager. This is how we're going to write the Raspbian image to our SD card. We're going to need Putty SSH client. This is how we're going to connect to our Raspberry Pi remotely. An advanced IP scanner. This is how we're going to find the IP address of our Raspberry Pi on our local network. These will be in the description below for you to download and then continue watching this video. So once those are downloaded, head over to raspberrypi.org and download the Raspbian Stretch image. This is the new Raspbian image that came out beginning of this year. Once you've downloaded that, we have to head over to Win32 Disk Imager. I'm already writing it, but you choose the Raspbian image here. Select your device, which will be your SD card, and then click write. And then this is taking 5 to 15 minutes to write. I'll be back once it's finished. Okay, now that that's finished writing, we just want to cancel. We don't want to format the disk, so we've just finished writing to it. We want to go to the boot, and we want to right click, new text document, call it SSH, all lowercase, and then we click rename and get rid of the file extension .txt, so it's just SSH, and click yes. If you don't see the .txt, click view and file name extensions. Now that that's done, we can eject the SD card and plug it into our Raspberry Pi. Okay, now that we've written the OS to the SD card, we need to plug the SD card to the bottom of the Raspberry Pi. We then also need to plug in our Ethernet and finally our power. You should see the flashing lights, that's when you know that it's turned on. Now let's head over to our computer to connect to it remotely. So on your computer, you want to run Advanced IP Scanner. This is so we can find the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. So once it's loaded, you just click scan and wait for it to come up with the name of it will just be called Raspberry Pi. So I'll come back once mine has found my Raspberry Pi. Okay, now it's found one as the manufacturer's Raspberry Pi Foundation, so we know our IP address is 192.168.1.124. So we can pause this or stop this now. And now we need to go into Putty. Hostname 192.168.1.124, and then just click open. The IP address may be different for your Raspberry Pi. Click yes to trust it. Login is Pi, and then the password is Raspberry. You won't be able to see when you're typing it, just click enter once you finish typing it. And now we're connected to our Raspberry Pi. We're now going to want to change the password. Just type PASSWD, click enter, type in the current one, which is Raspberry, and then enter your new one, which you need to be able to remember. So now that the password is updated, our Raspberry Pi is fully secure. We can now type power off. Oh, sorry. Sudo power off, and our Raspberry Pi is turned off. Now that our Raspberry Pi is turned off, that's it, it's fully set up. Anytime you want to connect to it, just plug the power back in, open up Putty, and type in the IP address that you saw earlier. Type in your username of Pi and the new password that you set, and you can do whatever you want with it now. Come back next time for the next episode where I'm going to show you how to do some more advanced stuff with it. Comment below if you want to see anything specific in the following episodes. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Remember, stay curious, stay creative, stay faithful.